and all that jazz. And you walk in, and I'm trying to get a rug for here. There's not one right now, but, we'll figure it out. This is my basket for all of my blankets. Yep, got it from Marshall's. Also got this fake plant from Marshall's. And my guitar case. So my great friend Emma gave me 2 of these awesome, cool pictures. Put them on the wall. Here's my piano. Here's my Buzz Lightyear tissues. They are the best. You've got it haunted bag next to my keys and my umbrella that I put hanging up because I just did that today for the video. Yeah. And you walk over here and you see my mirror that I will now check myself out in. Oh, well, this is my favorite verse, Joshua 1:9, and I put it above my mirror so I see it every day. Let's see how many times I can check myself out in the mirror. Yay. Okay. So these are my curling products, stuff like that. My makeup, because I do my makeup there. My shoes that aren't put away. And here is my TV on top of my shelves. And the amazing view that I have. That's my brother and I. Some glasses. Cool little fake plant thing, because I can't keep a real plant. And in each of these cubbies, I just have coffee, my games for my Wii, random miscellaneous stuff that we don't need to go through, my cleaning supplies, my Wii, my scrunchies, and my holder, my backpack, and all that jazz. Here's my brother and I again. We are children. And here's my TV. And now we get onto the bed. This is the bed. It's very long. This blanket I got from Marshall's. There's another, well, that's my camera. My camera doesn't belong there. My camera belongs on my desk. And here's my bed with 1,000,000 pillows. Here's my happy haunting pillows. Some of the stuff in here is now for fall. There's Stitch. He's falling, and I can never keep him straight. But I have all these pillows. A lot of my stuff in here is for fall right now because it's fall, sort of, even though it's 90 degrees. Here are my lights, hanging lights. I hang them up with 3 command strips. 1, 2, 3, and I spread them out. Real nice. And here's my, as I stand on my bed, here's my Happy Fall Y'all sign with my fake pumpkin and all that kind of stuff. Nice. Yeah. Happy Fall Y'all, my cool action shots. I really tried, I swear. And this is how I get down off of my bed. I have to jump, and it's nice to have a little stool thing. I also got that from Marshall's because I'm short and can't get up to my bed. Don't look at that. That's just storage stuff, And here is my dresser drawer, whatever you call it. It's called a... Wow, it's blanking, but here's all my clothes and my hats and everything. It's not the cleanest in there, but that's okay. And we have pictures and Bible verses of my friends on my dresser drawer thing. Yeah. And another view of my room, because we love action shots, apparently. And here's one of the windows that looks over the city, over the view. That's a box that my mom just gave me, and that's trash, so we don't look at that right now. Here's my microwave and refrigerator and all that kind of stuff, and my cups, my Keurig, all that jazz. And my Tree People with Kindness poster. Yeah. And here is my food and my printer and all that kind of stuff. And now we go on to the desk. My desk has a lot of random miscellaneous stuff on it, but it's kind of in order, Just have a couple cups, cute things. Also underneath his stuff and computer, keep that charged. Yep. And my TV remote, where it takes me 1,000,000 times just to get the song that I want, because I shuffled all of my, 6,000 songs that I have on my Spotify, and it takes forever. Yeah. Here is my bullet journal that I have. I did one for September. This is the first time I've ever done this, and I'm not best with handwriting and stuff, but I really tried hard at this one, and I'm really excited to make one for October. So if you guys want to see a video of me making my October bullet journal, comment down below, because it may be fun to do. And here's my Bible and my iPad and my desk that we get when we get in here, and my amazing view of the Nashville, I would call those mountains. I don't know. I mean, I'm from Florida, so there's not any mountains where I'm from. And here is me sitting on my bed, playing with the lights. And yeah. All right. So before the sun sets completely in my room, that was my dorm tour. I'm really excited to share it this year early and not literally like a month before school ends. Thanks for watching. If you like to give it a thumbs up because I need that too. And subscribe. And I'm really excited to show you guys more stuff. If you have any videos that you want me to do, comment down below, like the bullet journal idea or something cool or something about Disney, because I'm going to Disney soon and all that jazz, and any kind of information that you want me to put out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm really excited. It's sophomore year of college. That's crazy. All right, thanks for watching.